There are a lot of beautiful moments I remember here in Olympia, and because we passed through a lot, and they're like family to me now, my teammates, and yeah, we made a lot of victories, also some losses, but the game in Maribor when we won 3-0, I think would be the best moment for not just me but the whole team, because you know we didn't win as a team, we didn't win Maribor for a long time, and that was really a big victory for the team and for the city, and so I think that will be something to carry always. Olympia is a really important part of my football career, and this is where I the face of my football career changed, and it improved so much, and that's why Olympia will always remain in my heart. I'd never forget Olympia, and will always be a huge part of my story. Hard work and the ability to accept that I made some mistakes, and I really wanted to correct these mistakes, because it's not about to make the mistake, it's about you accept to change yourself, and you accept that you're wrong and you want to be better, because I know I have every quality to be a great player, but it doesn't take just quality or talent, it takes also attitude, and these things are things that one need to change to be better. So I was young and I was growing up, and I made some mistakes, but it doesn't really matter. I accepted that, and I put a lot of hard work, and it's only natural that with a lot of hard work, good attitude, it's only natural that I'd make such improvement. And going to Lokomotive Moscow, it's not by chance, it's by my merit, because I work hard for it. And Olympia fans will always remain in my heart. I respect and love them so much. I know that they didn't expect this transfer to happen, because we all wanted to win the league. I also didn't expect this transfer to happen, but it happened this way, and I think Olympia is much bigger than any player. Olympia is bigger than Henty. Henty is was just a player of Olympia, and I think even without Henty, Olympia is still Olympia, and Olympia, I think, will still be champions, because there are so other good players who can make this happen, and I'll always support Olympia in every game and in everything, because Olympia is now a family to me. My story can never be erased. I was nobody until I come in Olympia, and I started my story, and now Olympia made, with hard work, and here in Olympia I became, now an important player, but it's not gonna end here. I'm still gonna work hard, because when I be in the best club in the world, my story is always gonna be about Olympia. So I love the fans so much, and I really hope that we become champions. Olympia become champions in this year, and I know that the fans love me, and really I gave everything for Olympia. I played with everything I had for Olympia, with every passion, because every time I go on the field, I just want to make the people happy. I just want to give everything for Olympia. So I hope that the fans understand this.